Hello everyone, welcome to Wow Videos. Today, I'm sharing my favorite mobile apps for both campus life and everyday use. First, the HKU app, your cheat code to campus. From timetable, tutorial sign up, Moodle, attendance check, and many more sets in one place. And my favorite, Digital Student Access Code, which lets you scan through campus right from your phone. And if you're traveling between campuses, you need HKU Shadow Bus app. It gives you route information, departure schedules, and fares, so you never miss a ride again. Getting around Hong Kong, while Google Maps is still fantastic, local apps are absolute lifesavers. For ultimate navigation and insanely accurate travel times, we've got Citymapper and 8Map also, which are your absolute bets for getting from A to B smoothly. And pair that with MTR Mobile to know your exact journey times and even the best course to board for the quickest exit. For buses, App 1933 and City Bus give the ultimate live updates, including those handy mini buses. And of course, we cannot forget the iconic ding-dings. Hong Kong Tramway app show tram arrivals alongside audio guides and keep the journey perfectly on track. Transit aside, your phone setup isn't complete without these local favorites. Either with a physical card or the mobile octopus, you can use Octopus mobile app to instantly top up your card, check your balance, and track your transaction history all right on your screen. Next up, MyObservatory, and definitely turn on push notification for this one. Hong Kong weather can be pretty fast, but this app allows you to be perfectly prepared whether it is a gorgeous sunny day or a sudden rainstorm. This is the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching.